To better understand set methods and operations, let's create two sets first. Let's say set1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and the elements of set2 will be 3, 5, and 8. Python defines some methods for identifying the similarities or differences between two sets of elements, but also other methods to better make use of this data type. Let's see them in action. First, let's see how we can identify the common elements of the two sets we defined. To do this, we can use the intersection method like this: set1 dot intersection with set2, and this is correct, of course, because 3 is the only element which resides in both sets. This operation can be done the other way around too. So this means set2 dot intersection with set1, and the result is the same. Now let's see which elements does set1 have and set2 doesn't by using the difference method. Looking at the two sets, we notice that set1 has the elements 1, 2, and 4, but set2 doesn't. So this should be the result, right? Let's try it. Set1 dot difference from set2, and indeed we have 1, 2, and 4. Now let's check this vice versa as well. So set2 dot difference from set1, and this time we have 8 and 5, also correct, since 8 and 5 are not members of set1. Next, to unify the two sets, you can use the union method, and the result, also being a set, a collection of unique elements, will include element 3 just once. So do not confuse the union of two sets with concatenation. Let's try it. Set1 dot union with set2, and indeed we have the elements of both sets into a single set. Another thing you can do is remove a random element in the set using the pop method. So let's check out set1 again, and let's try set1 dot pop removes element 1. Let's check set1 again, and indeed 1 was removed from the set. Finally, we can clear a set using the clear method. So let's try set1 dot clear. Okay, now let's check set1, and you can now see that set1 is just an empty set. Great. There are other methods for working with sets in Python, but the chances you'll need them are not that high, so we won't discuss them in this course. Just in case, you can find a link to Python's official documentation regarding sets attached to this lecture.